today with the plotting section, plotting the graphs or different types of plots in LaTeX. So first of all, thank you very much for joining this session and joining this lecture. So in the previous videos, we have done lot of things. In the first week of lecture 1 and lecture 2, we have discussed more about font sizes, different types of text, and how we can make it list of items. And we have played with the images and graphs and how we can align them and how we can wrap up with that text. And in lecture 5 we have created different type of tables, and afterwards we have seen lot of things, how to color the particular cells in a table. And then we have discussed more about the links and URL via href or hyperlink, and we have seen how we can add it into the text. And now in the previous lectures we have discussed the mathematical equations and different types of letters or special characters, right? So you can see here the integration, summation, products and relation operators, binary operators, these type of things. So you can see here, you can find my course, the LaTeX course in my website. Okay, so you can follow this website akasharya.in/courses, and you can follow my YouTube channel. Here you can subscribe, and you can see here all the playlist is given for the LaTeX course. Okay, so you can see my all previous video if you have not seen yet, and you can also follow my LinkedIn account, so where you will get the updates and notification. Okay, so in today's lecture we are going to discuss about the graphs of plotting of function, basically, right? So for plotting the function, basically we have to define or use the package. So that is a package is PGF plots, right? PGF plots. So we will compile it and we'll go down. So we have discussed till 8. Now we will make another section, that is lecture. So that is lecture 9, and in the subsection we will write what we are going to do today. Plot the function in /LaTeX, right? Plot the function in LaTeX. Okay, so for plotting the function, first we will begin with begin, right? Okay, so begin condition, and we will define first axis, right? And then we will give these columns, right? And begin with axis, we will have to also AND this axis, because in every type of begin function you will have to also AND, right? Okay, now in this begin and AND, in between these I'll have to write my program, like for plotting the graph, right? Okay, so first we'll have to give the axis. What will be our axis? So let's say x minimum equal to 0 and x max equal to, let's say, 15, right? We're taking as generally, you can take your own, right? Now we'll have to define y min, that is, let's say, -15, and y max equal to 15, right? Now if you want to take a grid in that plot, so you can take grid in, if we want in both sides, so you can write both, right? Now we can give another thing, that is grid style. What should be the grid style? Okay, so you can write measure grid style, measure grid style equal to, and you will have to write light gray, and then you will have to give minor grid style, equal to, let's say it is also light gray. Let's say I'm just taking as it is. You can take your own light is, and let's say we are giving it like 35 number, okay, out of 100. And let's say we'll have to define width and height for our plot. So let's say we are giving 1 centimeter text width, right? And you can give anything, and particular height, that is we are giving, let's say 0.7 or 8, something like text width, right? So we have given all these conditions here, okay, for the levels and everything, like grade and axis, minimum and maximum. Now we will have to add our function, right? So for adding the function, we write the condition add plot, right? Add plot, and it will also come under this section, that is, okay, no, yeah, this. So we will have to write all these plots in add plot. Let's say we are defining our domain, that is 0:15, right? Now how many samples you are taking? Let's say 100. We'll see. Okay, now it should be smooth, thick, and let's say we are taking the red color, and close it, right? Okay, it is already there. Close it, and now here we'll have to add our function. Let's say we are taking sine of DEG. So keep your mind, it is important not write the sine x, exponential x, like these of things. If this is an angle, so you will have to write sine DEG, then bracket again and x, right? Don't do without the DEG sign if you are taking any angle, right? And I have to take another bracket, okay? This is the sine degree x, and then just semicolon. We have given and axis, so here we'll have to give and, okay, begin. We have not given Tig's picture, so that will not work. So basically Tig's picture is for the plotting, right? And just copy it and paste it there on right, and not bad, right? Okay, so now our code is ready, and now we just recompile it and see whether we have done correct or not. So see, wow, so we have seen the very nice plot of the sine function here, right? Now if we want to plot like exponential x or sin x, and now you can also see like cos x. Let's say, right, so this is for cos x, basically not coming onto 0, cos 0 equal to 1, right? So you can see here this type of plot, right? So we have seen how we can plot the functions in the LaTeX, right? Now we can also try some different conditions, like let's say just copy it and control V star, let's say sin x into cos x. So what graph we will get? So this is for sin x into cos x, right? Now we can have exponential x into cos x, right? So what graph we will? Okay, we are getting some. Okay, so we'll have to keep it in more bracket, and we'll see if it works. It is not working. Okay, if we take like this, okay, so what we can do is there, let's say we did it right. Okay, now if we plot it, yeah, so this is the graph for our exponential x into cos x, right? So these type of things you can plot here. It depends where you are taking with exponential x or this other types of graphs. Okay, so you can think of degree x. So you will know the basic things, how you have plotted all these things, right? We have sorted out our calculation. So now we'll come to the cos x, right? So now, okay, now you can try any functions, right? So we can have, let's say, copy this code and again paste it, and let's say we are taking any type of other function, say x cube plus 4 star x plus 5, and we are just trying to plot. So how it works basically, so this will come like that. Okay, x cube plus 4x plus 4, okay, we have taken the other x, capital X, and other one was small x, so that's why it is. So that will be the our function for the x cube plus 4x plus 4, right? So this is our another function. So you can plot any type of function in this manner, right? So degree, and then yeah, it's correct. Okay, so this is basic, and thank you very much for joining this lecture, and hope you liked and learned a lot of things, how to plot the uh, function in LaTeX. And if you have liked, just like this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel and follow this link to know more about the courses, and follow my LinkedIn account also, so you will get notification for each video. Okay, and have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.